Hey everyone, welcome to another video here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today we're going to be talking about the Ninja channel and the Ninja Squeegee handle. It's amazing to think I've been open here now for almost 9 years and I still haven't done a video for this product. I know I did a video for these items back in the day when I used to do the Tool Talk series for windowcleaner.com, WCR. But anyway, here's a kind of a refresher for those of you who haven't seen that video for a long time, or a new video for you people who are unfamiliar with the Ninja channel. So what's the purpose of the Ninja channel? As you can see, it's much bigger and bulkier than a standard brass or aluminum or steel channel that you're probably used to seeing if you do a lot of residential window cleaning. Now, if you're doing a lot of larger panes and you want something a lot more robust, a lot stronger, gonna hold its shape a lot better on glass, especially huge glass, 4, 5, 6 feet, which could be a little bit wavy. Might look straight, but the glass is actually a little bit wavy. These things hold their shape well when you press hard on them. And these channels also come up as long as 36 inches. One of the other key points about using this particular channel is that you can have this rubber in 2 different slots. In actual fact, when I find doing higher windows, I used to do a car dealership, and when I did high windows using a pole, I would take the rubber out, put it in the upper slot. That way it was give a little bit more flex, allow me to close it at the bottom and getting no chatter on the way down. So speaking about putting it into the next slot, let's show you how the rubber comes out and how it goes back in. So it's got these little lock symbols on here. So if you push that way and push that way, now you've allowed the rubber to be released. And if you can see inside, you can see that there's actually 2 channels. There's like a little rounded piece below and a little bit rounded piece above. So if I go above and slide it through, now you can see we have a lot more rubber hanging out the top of the channel. But anyway, for most of the jobs, you should be able to find, especially if you're using it by hand, that you can have it in the lower spot. So we're going to put that back in the lower spot. And we're going to just try to make sure we get the rubber in the center before we lock the clips again. And there you go. Now, as far as using it with the handle, you'll notice that on the channel you have these couple of Ninja stars here. So with the Ninja handle, it's spring loaded. So you want to spring load and get this handle right in between the 2 stars. That way you know you're right in the center, and then this pushes up, snaps it closed. There we go. If you need the handle to be straight, you have this button pushed in and the handle won't move. If you need the handle to swivel at all, you push this button, this green button here. Now the handle will swivel. And it does have a slotted screw in here to adjust the tension. You can use a flathead screwdriver, or you could just even use a quarter if you have a quarter in your pocket and you want to tighten it or loosen it for particular situations. This particular Ninja handle is what they call the 40-degree handle, and this is really great for pole work. Helps you get over that ledge a little bit more. There are 30-degree handle versions available as well. I don't sell nearly as many of those. Most people ask for the 40-degree, so that's what I always have on hand. Anyway, there's a breakdown of the Ninja Squeegee channel and Squeegee handle. And just for those of you who are curious, this is an Unger product, but you can put any standard round bulb type rubber in there. So Ettore, Unger, Black Diamond Standard, Pull-X, they will all work fine in the Squeegee. Anyway, thanks for watching, thewindowcleaningstore.com. Bye for now.